Namaste to one and all. Welcome to my channel. Today's our topic is calligraphy, Devanagari script and mathematics. Before that, I want to give you certain answers about the questions what you have asked in my channel. That is, first question was what about the rubrics for the assessment? The rubrics for assessment can be devised collectively by teachers and students while planning the project. And students must be informed the criteria decided for assessment along with the maximum marks before the commencement of work on project. That is, the students should also know what about the criteria, what about the rubric for assessment. Then another doubt was about foreign schools, which state they have to integrate. About foreign schools, they can integrate any Indian states. They can integrate. That is, the schools have the discretion. The schools can decide which Indian state they have to integrate. So, as an Indian pair state, you have to select the art forms. At the same time, we can see that there is art integrated learning and art integrated project is emphasizing on any Indian art forms. So, different states Indian art forms also you can go through and use it wherever possible. Do it as a pedagogical tool. It is only a pedagogical tool in order to understand the topic. It is not the outcome. So, how the children are learning, let them learn through the Indian arts. Let them learn through the pair states art form. Minimum one project should be done according to the pair state. Now we are learning about Devanagari script, calligraphy and relation to maths. And before moving to Devanagari script, we can see the origin of the languages. Here, two major language families are in India. That is in South Asia. Two major language families in South Asia. One is Indo-Aryan branch of Indo-European family and another one is Dravida. It is located only in South Asia. Then Indo-Aryan branch of Indo-European family, that is distantly related to English, Latin and Greek. This phase has been divided into three categories. One is Old Indo-Aryan, then Middle Indo-Aryan and New Indo-Aryan, that is European families. First one, the Old Indo-Aryan. From there we can see the Sanskrit has originated in 600 BC. That started from Vedic text to the Upanishads. That is the oldest language we see here. Then next one, the Middle Indo-Aryan. In the Middle Indo-Aryan, modern style of writing started. Modern style of writing started. There we can see the importance of Prakrit. It has started 250 BC. This Prakrita has been, that language has been spoken in different areas. So that is spoken languages according to the vernacular, that is local, that is vernacular languages. So Prakrit has been used as vernacular languages in different parts of India or different parts of the world as well. Then based on the vernacular languages, Sanskrit developed as a link language. So based on the vernacular languages, Sanskrit developed as a link language, that is to communicate from one country to another country, one state to another state. And here it has the link, it is made a link language between Pakistan, Bangladesh and other parts of Asia. And the Dravida language, that is, it was only focusing on South Asia. Then comes the importance of Devanagari. So Devanagari, I told you, it is a Devanagari started as it is based on several languages and based on the vernacular languages of Prakrit language, Sanskrit has been developed. And what is the importance of Devanagari here? Devanagari based on Brahmi script, and Devanagari script is used as only script or one of the scripts used among these languages. Sanskrit, Marathi, Pali, Hindi, Prakriti, then Kashmiri, Bhojpuri, Chhattisgarhi, Nagpuri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Haryanvi, Abhabramsha, etc. And here we can see that they are using the Devanagari script. Here it is written from left to right, top to bottom. As a last step, the letters are attached to a horizontal line. As a last step, The letters are attached to a horizontal line above them when we write an entire word. This horizontal line is drawn over the complete word. Horizontal line. And it has started from 1st century to 4th century, and it became regular use by the 7th century. In the Devanagari script, there are 47 characters, 14 vowels and 33 consonants. Then let us move to calligraphy. Calligraphy means, really it is an handwriting technique. So it means a decorative handwriting or handwritten lettering. The art of producing decorative handwriting. So calligraphy means a decorative handwriting or handwritten lettering, the art of producing decorative handwriting. Calligraphy use chisel nib. Yes, chisel nib. That is calligraphy use chisel nib. Yes, this is chisel nib. See that wedge shaped chisel nib. Then when we use when we use a chisel nib with the angle, it will become broader or narrow edged shape we will get. So it depends on how you hold a pen. It create border or narrower stroke. Yes, border. Suppose you keep it like this way. Yes, we will get a border strip. And suppose you are using this way, it will get a narrow strip. So border and a narrow strip. And so highly expressive style of lettering is produced by holding your nib, that is at a correct angle at all times. While you are keeping your pen in a correct angle, you will get a correct style of writing. An highly expressive style of lettering is produced by holding your nib at a correct angle. So angle is important here. And in relation to the baseline, drawing vertical line and horizontal line. And so ratio between the width of the stroke and height of the letter, that depends on how you write. So that is the importance of the calligraphy. That is, whatever the vertical line, whatever the angle, whatever the horizontal line, whatever the base line, and whatever the width of the stroke, that is width of the stroke and height of the letter, it will depend upon how you write. Then comes the Roman font. It is upright, opposed to the oblique. Oblique means italic. So the Roman font is upright, opposed to the oblique or italic. That is not as a slanting. So this can be demonstrated here. Is upstrokes. When we are drawing upstrokes, it will be based on narrow. You will get narrow. And downstrokes is upstrokes. This upstrokes narrow, and downstrokes we can see broader. Then we can see how maths can be connected to calligraphy. That is vertical line, horizontal line. Yes, what about the vertical line, horizontal line in maths we can see. What about the angle, different angles we have seen, that is 90 degree or 70 degree or 120 degree, like that. Different angles we can see. All this vertical line or horizontal line or different angles related to mathematics. Then width. Told you the width of the stroke. What about the difference between the stroke? That comes maths. Then length of the stroke. What about the length of the stroke? That also based on maths. What are the baseline? That is also maths. Height of letters also related to mathematics. So yes, here we can see whatever the height of the letter. While you are drawing up, it will be narrow, and while we are drawing down, it will be thicker or broader. And whatever the height, whatever the width between letters, all this depends upon some mathematical calculations. Yes, some mathematical calculations is this way. You can see the different fonts you can use. Okay, so I hope how the scripts, Devanagari script is connected to mathematics. I hope you understood the relation between maths and calligraphy, how it is related to Devanagari script and Roman font. Thank you.